Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Shirani. Today I'm going to show you how to make this beautiful and delicious pistachio cake. Okay, so for this recipe I'm using a white cake mix, but if you can't find a white cake mix, you can use a vanilla one or a yellow one. To that, I'm going to add 1 pack of pistachio instant pudding mix, and then I'm going to mix that together. I just want to let you know that the lighting was off in this video, so it didn't do the cake justice. You couldn't really see the color of the cake or the frosting. In person, it looks so much better, so I'm so sorry about that. And oh my gosh, I wanted to go and do this cake over, but I didn't have the time to do it, so I'm just posting it like this. Okay, now I'm going to add 1 cup of milk, 1 cup of oil, and I'm just using canola oil, and I'm adding 3 eggs. Beat this for about 30 seconds. As always, I'm going to have the exact measurements listed in the description box below for you. Make sure you go in there and scrape down your bowl. Now this is optional, but I like to add food coloring to make it extra green. I just think that makes it so pretty. And now I'm going to beat this for about 2 minutes. You can put as much food coloring as you want. It all depends on how green you want your cake. We always like to make this recipe for St. Patrick's Day because we want something green. So I only make this cake once a year, but I should make it more often because it's just so good. You should make this cake to impress your company because they're gonna think you did a whole lot of thing when really you didn't do that much, but it's just so good. I'm using a bun pan for this, so I just grease it with some cooking spray, but you can use any shape of pan you want. I just think a bun pan just makes it so pretty. I love any kind of cake in a bun shape. If you're new to my channel, welcome and thank you for stopping by. And if you haven't subscribed yet, I would appreciate it if you would consider subscribing. Be sure to scrape your bowl and clean out that spatula because you can't afford to waste any of this. I'm going to bake this in a preheated 350 degrees Fahrenheit oven for 30 minutes. This is how it looks after 30 minutes, but it's not done, so I'm going to take a piece of foil and cover the top, and I'm going to let this bake an additional 10 minutes. Whenever you're baking and the top is getting too brown, you always want to cover it with a piece of foil, and that will stop the browning. I'm going to use a wooden skewer to test it to make sure it's done. If the skewer comes out dry, it's done, and if it's wet, you need to bake it some more. I'm going to let this cool down before I frost it. Now that it's cool, I'm going to invert the cake onto my cake stand. I know this looks a little dark, but don't worry about that. The frosting is going to cover that up. Okay, so for the frosting, I'm using a package of pistachio instant pudding mix again. I'm going to add half cup of milk to that, and I'm going to mix that together. Now I'm going to add 1 container of Cool Whip that I had tying out on the counter. Mix that together until everything is well combined. Again, I'm going to add some food coloring to this to make it nice and green, but if you don't want to add food coloring, you don't have to. It's still not green enough for me, so I'm going to add a little bit more. I'm going to need some pistachio nuts to put on top to decorate it, so I'm just going to go ahead and get that ready. I always get asked about this little nut chopper, so if you're interested in it, I'm going to leave it linked below for you. Okay, now I'm going to frost the cake, and I have to say I'm not good at frosting cakes, so this is not going to be the prettiest thing you've ever seen. But I'm just going to try my best. If you haven't been following me on Instagram yet, you can do so at Cooking with Shirani. I'm always sharing stuff over there, so come follow me. I love this pistachio cake. I've been making this, I would say, at least 10 years. But this is not my recipe. I got this off of Pinterest a while ago, and I've been making it ever since. Now it's time to cut this beautiful cake. And I'm always so afraid to cut the first slice and take it out. You know how that is. Look at the color, you guys. Look how pretty that is. Oh my gosh. I so wish you could taste it. And you really have to give this recipe a try because it's just so good. So simple and so good. Well, I hope you like it because this is the best you're going to get. But you know what? The pistachios on top really saved me because that just makes it look so pretty. It makes it look like something that happened. I couldn't help it. I wanted to cut another slice so you can see it again. It's just so pretty. Well, I hope you enjoyed this as much as I did. If you did, please give it a thumbs up. That will really help out my channel. And as always, thank you so much for watching. Thank you for subscribing. If you haven't subscribed yet, please don't forget to do that. And I'll talk to you in my next one. Take care. Bye.